Hi guys, I'm Sharlene. After 12 and a half years flying as cabin crew for Emirates Airline and living in Dubai, I decided to completely change my life and move to Da Nang in Vietnam. Come spend the day with me. Every morning I start with a short Qigong routine. It's great for the fascia, lymphatic flow and boosting your mood. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to show you the full routine. I am a morning gym girly. It just sets my tone for the entire day. I also don't always take pre-workout, but some days when I really feel like I need it, I do. And today I decided to raw dog it and just do a dry scoop. Unfortunately for me, when I bought this, I thought the flavor was grape. But it's actually sour gummy bear, which is not my favorite thing in the world, but it does the job, so... Now let's get to the real tea. I've been getting bombarded with so many questions since I left Emirates asking why did I leave, am I happy, how to get the job, and so many more questions, and I promise I will get to answering all of them. It will just take a series of videos to get through all of that, so if you do have any questions that you'd like me to answer, just shoot me a DM on my Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen. But I am super happy with my new life here in Vietnam. I have to give you guys a room tour. My new apartment is brand new and I love it. And this is the ick part of content creation, you guys. I know, super major ick, but it is what it is. The building is still so new, so everything's still in plastic, but... Crossing the road in Vietnam is a skill that I needed to develop. If you guys want your own ultrahuman ring air, I have a discount code. I'll leave it on screen and in the description below. Now, if you guys know anything about me, you would know I am a huge advocate for mobility training. I do it every single day before every single workout. It's literally changed my life in so many ways possible. I used to suffer chronic headaches. I used to get headaches non-stop. They would last for weeks at a time. And through mobility training, I was able to heal my body and not suffer these headaches anymore. If you guys are interested, I am happy to create some videos with my full mobility routines that I practice every day. Even if you would like me to focus on any specific body area that you may be experiencing pain in, just let me know in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to create them for you. Today's workout is legs and glutes focused, so that's why my mobility routine is focusing on the lower body. That's so I can lubricate the joints and fully warm up my body, and then this way I do not experience any pain during my workouts. You guys, mobility is alive! Just some extra warming up, you know. Starting off with good old squats. This is my hack, you guys. I place my hands on the lines imprinted on the barbell, place my feet hip width apart, and then lean all the way back and then slide straight through, forward. This way I'm always keeping in the center of the bar. I always love to start my leg day with a compound movement. So a compound movement is basically when you're using more than one muscle group for the workout. So my compound movement of choice is barbell squats. I love doing them. I know a lot of people don't, but I really enjoy them. Squats are super effective, especially when they're done correctly. So if you don't have your form correct, then you shouldn't be doing these heavy. You need to perfect your form before you start adding weights. They're an OG exercise and a staple, so they will always be part of my workout. The next exercise I did was a Romanian deadlift. Now Romanian deadlifts are also compound exercises as they do target the hamstrings, the glutes and the lower back. But it is more glute focused, so that's why I do like to add it into my workout, especially when I am targeting glutes. Now I didn't film the entire workout that I did on this day, but if that's something that you guys would be interested in watching, do let me know and I can film more of my workouts for you. Would you love me better, baby? Would you just be better, baby? Would you love me better? Would you feel me better? Always wash your hands after your workout. So, yesterday I had something come up, so I couldn't continue filming. So I'm just picking up where I left off yesterday. Sorry, there's some construction going next door. I don't know if you can see through this. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work because this building is still brand new, so there's some apartments literally being done. I've just been to the gym. I had cardio today, not my favorite day, but yeah, so yeah. Yesterday I had a smoothie after the gym. I think I'll have the same today. I actually had a banana before I left because I was feeling a little peckish. Usually I don't really eat before I go to the gym, but yeah, today I felt, so I just had a banana. So I don't think I'll put banana, I'll just make it an all berry protein smoothie. And yeah, and then I'm going back to the gym soon for yoga. So the weather today, it's still cloudy these days. Like, yeah, it's just a whole week of cloudiness and rain about it. So still see Lady Buddha beneath the cloud. Yeah, still love this view though. Also, can I ask you guys, how do we feel about the trees? Like, because like I like them, I really do like them, but then sometimes I feel like it takes up the space of the balcony. So yeah, and I feel like it kind of blocks the view. You know, if you're sitting on the couch and looking out, it kind of blocks the view, even though like obviously when you're standing you see it. But I'm like, I don't know, I feel like it mostly just takes up the space. I mean, I wouldn't mind to keep these ones, I don't know, like I have a love-hate relationship with them. I'm completely 50-50. So I don't know, what do you think? Let me know please, because I don't know. I'm gonna put some frozen blueberries. This is apricot, frozen apricot. This is frozen strawberries, which I need to get some more. And then frozen cherries. A lot of construction going on because everybody's moving through the day. So, I hope you guys can hear me. I need to put my speaker microphone. Do a little mix today. Almond vanilla. And that mix that up. Scoop of protein. Yeah, I was gonna put ice, but no.
So suddenly, I'm thinking about the things you said to me, yeah.
Now it's time to head to the
Counting
supermarket.
backwards in my mind, hoping I can find something to get by. And I know that you're out of town for a while, yeah. And I know that I'm self-inflicted all the time, yeah. And I hope that you consume me like a fire, 'cause the truth is that you've been on my mind.
Okay. This is what we're talking about. We always get the Wagyu.
The good shit.
Okay. The Wagyu ribeyes.
3.8 milli.
This is what we always get in Mega Mart. But I actually want some chicken, and they do halal.
Chicken.
It's good. The other day we came, they didn't have any.
You to take this has a big cap as well.
But don't we want without the cap?
No, I like the cap for sure. It's just I don't want a big cap. I can trim it still.
Yeah, but check how the fat is on the inside.
Yeah, it is. It's all. Look at the fat. Look at the marble.
No, like this one has a big chunk. Look.
The eye you're talking about.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, this one doesn't have that.
This
big
one's
eye.
good.
Yeah, this one's good. I'm thinking too. I want to come back again. This one is nice as well. The eye is not that big.
It's not as good marbling, or
No, marbling is, yeah, it's alright, yeah.
it's not giving
But these
wagyu.
two are great.
Now I'm heading for yoga. I didn't do the first class because we went shopping, but I'm doing the second class. It's a hip opening, or just a deep hip class, which I'm really happy. Okay, it's raining a little bit, but it's fine. I am so bad at this vlog. I literally because I'm getting dinner ready. I marinated the chicken and I'm like, oh, I forgot to vlog. So come with me. Here's the chicken I marinated. It was chicken breast. It's 1 kilo, and I cut it up into a bit like smaller, kind of tender size. So the marination I used for this was a bit of lime juice, because when you add something acidic like vinegar or lemon juice, lime juice, it takes away that chickeny taste, you know. So yeah, put some of that, a little bit, just a touch of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, some thyme, some basil, and a bit of hot honey. I have a fresh baguette, so I'm making like a chicken, avocado, kale, onion kind of sandwich thing. My husband loves wagyu steak, and we've been having wagyu steak every day, and I'm just like, come on, man. And then there's this like wagyu steak sandwich I've been making, and it like, honestly, it slaps. So yeah, I'm like, let's have some chicken today. So I've also been snacking on this. It's like a sugar-free, hold on, I'll show you. A sugar-free. It's alright. I'm so excited. If you know me, you know I freaking love Bueno. Oh my god. I like the Kinder Bueno white, but I don't think I found that here. So if you know in Da Nang where there's any Kinder Bueno white, please let me know. That's just marinating. Let me keep it in the fridge, and then I'll just prep the sides. So I'm gonna do the onion and kale. I'll like fry that up in the pan, and then yeah, in the bread I'll put a bit of a little bit of cream cheese, maybe, so it adds like a nice flavor. Avocado, the chicken, and yeah, call it a day.
I'm talking like all the time. I'm just hoping that you'd give it a try. Can never get enough of you. It's just the way that your body moves, baby. 'Cause the truth is, you'll be on my mind. See, I've been keeping on my distance from you. Fucked up my intuition, baby, it's true. Now I'm looking at you different, but I can't love you if you don't admit it. Don't lie, I know that you wanna be loved, it's fine. Girl, I could give you so much, just be mine. Just be mine, just be mine. But the truth is, you'll be on my...
Yes, what you are seeing is correct. I am cutting the bread with scissors, and that's because I do not have one of those bread knives. I tried a few stores here and I couldn't find any, so I'm still on the hunt. So yes, for now I'll be using either a sharp knife or scissors.
So suddenly I'm thinking about the things you said to me, yeah. Counting backwards in my mind, hoping I can find something to get back. And I know that you're out of town for a while, yeah. And I know that I'm self-inflicted all the time. talking like all the time. I'm just hoping that you give it a try. Can never get enough of you.
Shower is done, and now it's time for my skincare. By the way, that sandwich was really nice, like basic but so tasty. I was really happy with it. And when it comes to skincare, I have literally an endless supply of skincare. I need to be stopped. But I must admit, since I stopped flying, my skin has been so amazing. I love it. My skincare is all done. I'm ready for bed. I'm just gonna chill for a bit, maybe edit some content, look at a few things. I have to put my legs up. I put my legs up every single day. And yeah, relax and then eventually go to sleep. I literally am always covered in bruises, always. But yeah, legs up, look, more bruises. Yeah, legs up for at least 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna cover the feet.
But the truth is, you've been on my